Hello there, my name is Doug Johnson. I'm an assistant professor with MacEwan University. I work primarily with the Emergency Communications and Response Program. Let me give you a little bit of an overview of what the program's all about. First of all, this program's been in place since the year 2000. We've worked with the industry to develop the program and then to continually enhance it to meet their needs. It's an 8-month certificate program, and what you will achieve when you work through the 8-month program is you will have a better understanding of what the role is of an emergency communications operator. You will also find that approximately 50% of all of the material that we cover is practical based, so that we can basically give you an opportunity to understand what type of questions you need to ask, what type of instructions you give the callers, what type of calls you're going to be experiencing. We also very much have you exposed to the industry equipment that you're going to be using, so the phone system, the radio system, and the computer system that we use in the program is exactly the same one that many of the major dispatch centers in Alberta are currently using. I have a philosophy that I have 8 months to teach you to think like a dispatcher. You have the rest of your life to learn how to be a good dispatcher.
Okay, everybody else.
MacEwan Dispatch Scenario 2, please. What's the address of your emergency?
The location is Churchill LRT station.
Okay. And can I get a number, please?
507-383-6758.
Can you please repeat that for my records?
For sure, 507-383-6758.
And what's your emergency?
There's a fire in a garbage container.
Fire in a garbage container. Okay. Can you tell me exactly where it is?
By the second floor platform on the east side.
All right, and is anybody hurt or injured?
No, everyone's at a safe distance and nobody is injured.
And do you know how the fire started?
I don't know how it started. Someone might have thrown something in there that might have caught onto the garbage.
All right, we'll get somebody there right away.
Okay, perfect.
And just stay away from the fire.